Imagine traveling to the Netherlands, a country famous for tulips, windmills, and canals. But what if I told you there's so much more to explore beyond the well-known landmarks? Hidden gems, untouched by mass tourism, are waiting to be discovered. Today, we're revealing 10 stunning Dutch destinations you've probably never heard of. From serene villages to extraordinary landscapes, these places will leave you breathless. Stay with us until the end. You might just find your next dream destination. 10. Giethoorn, the Venice of the North. Tucked away in the Overijssel province, Giethoorn is a picturesque village that feels straight out of a fairy tale. Often called the Venice of the North, Giethoorn is unique because it has no roads. Instead, canals wind through the village, and the best way to explore is by boat. Imagine gliding along tranquil waters, passing charming thatched roof cottages and lush greenery. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. But the magic doesn't end there. In the winter, when the canals freeze, Giethoorn becomes a wonderland for ice skating enthusiasts. Whether you visit in summer or winter, this hidden gem offers an unforgettable experience. 9. The Veluwe, a natural paradise. The Veluwe is a sprawling nature reserve located in the heart of the Netherlands. While most tourists flock to Amsterdam or Rotterdam, the Veluwe remains a serene haven for those who love the outdoors. Covering nearly 1,000 square kilometers, it's one of the largest uninterrupted natural areas in the country, offering forests, sand dunes, and heathlands. What makes the Veluwe truly special is its wildlife. Deer, wild boars, and even the elusive European bison roam freely here. Visitors can enjoy hiking, biking, or even horseback riding through the vast landscape. The Veluwe is also home to the Kröller-Müller Museum, which boasts the second largest collection of Van Gogh's paintings, all set amidst stunning natural surroundings. 8. Zierikzee, a medieval port town. On the island of Schouwen-Duiveland in the province of Zeeland, you'll find the charming medieval town of Zierikzee. While lesser known than other coastal towns, Zierikzee is a hidden treasure for history buffs and those who love old-world charm. The town's ancient walls, gates, and towers still stand, offering a glimpse into its rich maritime past. Take a stroll through the narrow, cobbled streets and discover its historic harbor, lined with traditional Dutch boats. If you're a seafood lover, Zierikzee's local restaurants serve fresh oysters, mussels, and more, straight from the waters of the North Sea. This quaint town is the perfect stop for those looking to escape the tourist crowds while enjoying a bit of Dutch history. 7. Kinderdijk, windmills and waterways. Everyone knows the iconic image of Dutch windmills, but the village of Kinderdijk offers something truly extraordinary. Located just a short drive from Rotterdam, Kinderdijk is home to a network of 19 windmills, all built in the 18th century. These windmills were constructed to manage water levels in the region, and they continue to function today, offering a glimpse into the Netherlands' ingenious water management systems. The best way to explore Kinderdijk is by bike or on foot, with paths that lead you through a maze of canals, dikes, and windmills. The beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage site is truly awe-inspiring, especially at sunset when the golden light reflects off the water. It's a must-see for anyone wanting to experience the Netherlands' iconic landscape, away from the usual tourist spots. 6. Deventer, a city of culture and festivals. Deventer, situated on the banks of the IJssel River in the province of Overijssel, is one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, with a history dating back more than 1,200 years. Despite its rich heritage, it's often overlooked by tourists. The city is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, charming town square, and vibrant cultural scene. Deventer is famous for hosting several festivals throughout the year, including the Dickens Festival, where the entire town transforms into a Victorian-era village, complete with characters from Charles Dickens's novels. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or just soaking in the atmosphere of a lively Dutch city, Deventer offers something for everyone. 5. The Wadden Islands, unspoiled coastal beauty. For those seeking solitude and unspoiled natural beauty, the Wadden Islands are the perfect destination. This chain of islands, located in the Wadden Sea, offers a mix of stunning beaches, dunes, and wildlife. The islands of Texel, Terschelling, and Vlieland are among the most visited, each with its own unique charm. What sets the Wadden Islands apart is their biodiversity. The region is home to seals, migratory birds, and a wide variety of marine life. Visitors can go birdwatching, hiking, or cycling through the island's rugged landscapes. The Wadden Sea is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, making it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts looking for a peaceful retreat.
4. The Hoge Veluwe National Park, art and nature combined.
The Hoge Veluwe National Park, located in the Gelderland province, is one of the Netherlands' most diverse natural reserves. Covering over 5,400 hectares, it's a unique combination of natural beauty and cultural history. The park offers dense forests, open heathlands, and dramatic sand dunes, all of which can be explored by bike, free of charge, as the park provides visitors with white bicycles. But the park is also home to the Kröller-Müller Museum, which houses an extensive collection of modern art, including works by Van Gogh, Picasso, and Mondrian. The combination of stunning landscapes and world-class art makes the Hoge Veluwe a destination like no other. 3. Naarden, a star-shaped fortress. Naarden is one of the best-preserved star-shaped fortresses in Europe, located just a short distance from Amsterdam. Its unique layout, with walls shaped like a six-pointed star surrounded by water, makes Naarden a fascinating destination for history lovers. The fortress played a significant role in the defense of the Dutch Republic during the 17th century. Today, Naarden is a charming town with narrow streets, historic buildings. The town's fortifications, including the moat and bastions, are incredibly well preserved and offer a unique glimpse into Dutch military history. 2. Dordrecht, a hidden gem of Holland. Dordrecht, located in the province of South Holland, is the oldest city in the region and boasts a rich history dating back to the Middle Ages. Despite its historical significance, it remains under the radar for many tourists. The city is crisscrossed by canals and rivers, giving it a romantic, almost Venetian feel. Dordrecht is a cultural treasure trove, with beautiful old churches, museums, and the stunning Grote Kerk Tower, offering panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. The town also hosts an annual art festival that attracts artists and visitors from all over the Netherlands. If you want to experience Dutch history and culture without the crowds, Dordrecht is a fantastic destination. 1. Maastricht, a blend of old and new. At the top of our list is Maastricht, a city that effortlessly blends history and modernity. Located in the southernmost part of the Netherlands, Maastricht is unlike any other Dutch city. Its narrow streets, charming squares, and medieval architecture give it an old-world charm, while its vibrant university culture keeps it young and dynamic. Maastricht is famous for its culinary scene, boasting some of the best restaurants in the country, as well as its historic sites, such as the St. Petersburg Caves and the Basilica of St. Servatius. Whether you're wandering through its cobbled streets or enjoying a meal at a riverside cafe, Maastricht is a city that will captivate you with its beauty and charm. And there you have it, 10 stunning Dutch destinations you've probably never heard of, but absolutely need to add to your travel list. From hidden villages to breathtaking natural parks, the Netherlands has so much more to offer than meets the eye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments which destination you're adding to your bucket list. Thanks for watching.